Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. I am Mrs Shimaa, math teacher, and I'll teach you this year in Nobel Edu Academy math for grade 4, 5, and 6. It's my pleasure to be with you this year in Nobel Edu Academy, and I hope to keep this year more fun. So now let's start our lesson today. Our lesson today is about milliard. We studied before how to read and write number in letters and in digits. For example, if I have the number and I want to read or write it, first thing number 1, 2, 3. Our lesson today is about the place value. We studied before how to read and write number in letters and in digits. For example, if I have the number is this number and I want to write it, what I do first, count 3 digits and put comma. And what makes put up the house name? What about the house if the first 3 digits? The first 3 digits without name, so write X. And what about second house is called 1000. Now I want to read the number. Read first the greatest house that you have. So I have here 85. So read 85,320. And as you read, you can write what here? 85,320. Next number I have here. I wanted to read the number. What I do? Count 3 digits and put comma. And next, write up the place value or the house name. The first house no name and the second house here is called 1000. Now read the number. I have here 3 digits. Read the number as 3 digits and after you finish say the house name. Here is you have 250,640, and as you read you can write 250,640. And now if I ask you write the place value of number 6. When I ask you write the place value, remember the place value, place, once, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000. I have here 6 digits and each digit has name. What about the name of 5? Look up. I have 10. 10 what? 10,000. And what about number 6? The place value of 6 is called 100. But if I ask you write the value of any number is right number. Write what number? Now I want to write the value of 2. Write again number 2 down and count how many digits before 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So replace all 5 digits by 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 200,000. Okay. And now, welcome in the place value street. And in the place value street, I have 4 houses. What about the houses here? In each house, I have only 3 rooms. Here you have ones, tens, hundred. Next house, ones, tens, hundred. Ones, tens, hundred. Okay. Now I want to ask the first house in the street, what about your name? Please, can you tell me what's your name? No, I am without name. So the first house no name. Now ask the second house. Please, can you tell me what about your name? Yes, I am thousand house. And here is ask the gray. I have now a new house. It's called what? Please, can you tell me what about your name? Yes, I am Millions house. I am what? Millions house. So I have now a new house is called Millions. And what about the last house here is called what? Milliard. It's called milliard or billions. So now in the place value street, 4 houses. No name, thousand, millions, billiard. Thing, huh? No name, thousand, millions, and here is you have milliard. Now if I have example, I have large number. And now I want to put each 3 digit in each house. First 3 digit, put in house no name. And the second 3 digit is in house thousand. And here is millions. And put 9 in what? In house milliard. Now, if I wanted to read or write the number here, from the largest house here. What about the greatest house in milliard? So now I have which number in milliard? I have number 9. So read now 9 milliard. Go to house millions. Which number in house million? Read as 3 digits. 841. And after finish, say millions. Now I have 841 millions. Okay, and what about in thousand? 723. Read 723 as 3 digits and called thousand. And what about name? 456. Now read all the number: 9,841,000,000, 723,000 and 456. Okay. And what about now? What about and what now? What about the place value? Place. Once, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10,000,000, 100,000,000, and here is milliard. Okay, so if I wanted to know what about the number 4, what about 4? What is the place value of 4? Count 3 digit and comma. 1, 2, 3, comma. 1, 2, 3, comma. 1, 2, 3, comma. And write up house name. No name, thousand, million, milliard. And now look at the house million. I have number 4. Which number 4? First, what about the room of 4? First, here is tens. Then what? 10 millions. So now the place value of 4 is what? Here 10 millions. Another one, if I ask you what about the place value of 9? What about the place value of 9? 9 is called what? Milliard. Is called what? Milliard. Okay. What about the place value of 2? Write 2 2 is what? 10,000. In house thousand, once, tens, hundred, and 2 here is thousand. And what about 8? 8 is 100 millions. Okay, so when I ask you the place value, place, once, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 millions, 100 millions, and here is you have millions. Okay, any problem? But if I ask you, write the value. Value of any number is write what? House name or number? Yes, write what? Write number. Value only, number. Value only means number. Write the value of number 8. If I want to write the value of 8, write again a number 8 down and count how many digits before 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So replace it or digit before 8 by zeros, the number of 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have 800 what? 800 millions. Okay, write the value of number 7. Again, write number 7 and counting how many digits before 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Replace it 5 digits by 5 zeros. Okay. Now exercise the place value of digit 6 in the number here. What about the place value of digit 6 here? When I ask you the digit 6 here, circle digit 6 and the digit 6 in which place value. Count 3 digit and put comma. I have here comma, comma, comma. No name, thousand, million, milliard. And here is what about the room of milliard, 100. So here I have 100 milliard. Digit 6 is called what? 100 million. Or billion, the same word. Okay, the value of digit 5. Value means number. Write number 5 and count how many. Circle number 5 and write 5 again. Replace it all digit before 5 by zeros. I have here 9 digits. Replace it 9 digits by 9 zeros. Another one, the place value of digit 6 in the number. Circle number 6 and which number 6 here? What about the room of 6? I think it's 10. 10 what? What about here? 10 millions. Write up house name. No name. Thousand, millions. And what about the room of 6 is 10. 10 million. And here you have the value of digit 1. What about the value? Value means number. Write number 1 and count. Circle number 1 first and count all digits before 1. I have here 8 digits, so replace it 8 digits by 8 zeros. Okay, and now exercise. Complete as example. The place value of 7 and the number here is milliard. What about the place value of digit 0? Circle number 0 and write up the place for the house name. Here is you have no name and here is thousand. Million, milliard. Okay, and in each house 3 rooms. 1, tens, 100. So the room of 0 is 100. So write first 100. 100 what? 100,000. So write 100,000. The place value of digit 2. Circle number 2 and write up what? The house name. No name. Thousand, millions. What about here 2? 2 is millions. So write here million. The place value of digit 8. Circle digit 8. No name. Thousand, million, milliard. What about 8? 8 here in millions house. And what about the name of room? Ones, tens, 100. So 8 here is 100. It's 100 millions. Another one. Write the place value of digit 4. First what? Circle number 4 and write up house name. No name. Thousand, millions. What about 4? 4 is 10. 10 what? 10 millions. Last one, the place value of the digit 3 in the number here. What about the place value of 3? The place value of 3 is what? In, write up, no name, thousand, millions. 3 is what? The first digit in millions is millions or 1 million is the same. So write millions here. Another exercise. Write the value of the underlying digits according to its place value. What about here? I have 4, so write 4 again. And how many digits before 4? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Replace it 5 digits by 5, 0. Here I have number 7. Write 7 again. And counting all digits before 7. How many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So cancel 8 digits by 8 zeros. Last one, I have number 6. Write it again and count all digits before 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Write all 7 zeros. Okay. Now let's finish our lesson today. And now I have finished our lesson today. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.